I have this very unique problem that I never seen before, and I already spent hours trying to find out why and what caused the problem, and I still have no idea how's that happened. So this is the MacBook Pro A1708. The logic board number is 820-00840. Alright, and as you can see right here, I removed the solid state drive, and this logic board is only connected to the battery right there, and also the battery flex cable, and also connected to the display or the screen, and the charger with USB-C meter, right? Nothing else is connected. No keyboard, no fan, no headphone or I/O port, no trackpad, nothing. Just bare minimum battery, screen, and charger. As you can see there, the MacBook is turned on. It's showing this question mark folder because I don't have the solid state drive. Alright, let me unplug the charger. Alright, the MacBook still running on the battery power. Alright, now let me show you the weird part. Alright, I'm gonna close the MacBook. And I'm gonna disconnect the battery by removing this flex cable. And I'm gonna put the logic board back into the case or the chassis. Gonna align this to USB-C port. There you go. Right. So the logic board is set into the chassis or the case or the top case, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna reconnect this battery flex cable to connect the battery. Alright, it is connected, the battery is connected, the screen still connected, and the logic board is placed into the chassis or the case. I'm gonna flip this one up. I'm gonna secure the battery so it won't fall. And I'm gonna plug in the power adapter or the charger. It is taking 19 volts. But look at on the screen. There's nothing on the screen. We can wait for another 2 or 3 minutes. And yeah, nothing will show up on the screen. no backlight, nothing. And it's still taking 19 volts, 0.5, 0.3 amps. Nothing on the screen. Let me turn off this light. Yep, the screen is completely dead. And as you can see earlier, the screen is working perfectly fine. Okay, now let me unplug the charger. Close the MacBook. And I'm gonna unplug or remove this battery flex cable to disconnect the battery. There you go. I'm gonna open the MacBook again, like this. Plug the charger in. There you go. All right, it's taking 19 or 20 volts. And I can see the backlight is lighting up. You're probably not gonna see it right now because it's of the lighting or whatever, but let's wait a little bit. You will see the question mark folder again. There you go. See that? And by the way, I don't see any sign of liquid damage. I don't see any corrosion. I don't see any blown components on the chassis or on the logic board. I added tape underneath this battery board, and I also removed some of the pegs or the standoff, just in case if there's anything that is shorting the battery or shorting the logic board. I did all the process of elimination that I can think of, and the problem's still there. I don't know how, I don't know why. So if you guys have the similar problem or have facing the similar issue with this one here, let me know. Yeah, I just don't know.